Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the PMI-ACP. Friend, what is actually the certificate of PMI-ACP and how you can apply for it? So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. Friend, be formally recognized for your knowledge of agile principles and your skills with agile techniques. The PMI-ACP is evidence of your real-world hands-on experience and skill as part of the agile team. It spans many approaches to agile such as Scrum, Kanban, Lean, extreme programming, and test-driven development, not linking a practitioner to one agile approach. Now, when to apply? Friend, apply if you have 1 to 3 years of project management experience, and you can get more knowledge about this certificate on PMI website as well. The value, it will demonstrate your agile team experience runs deep beyond knowledge and comprehensive demonstrate experience and applying agile methodologies. The PMI-ACP is registered against the ISO 9001 standard. The education requirements, it requires high school diploma or bachelor's degree, 21 contact hours of training in agile practices. Experience requirements, 12 months of general project experience within the last 5 years. A current PMP or PGMP will satisfy this requirement but is not required to apply for the PMI-ACP. 8 months of agile project experience within the last 3 years. Certification maintenance requirement, must earn 30 PDUs per 3-year cycle to maintain the certification. Exam information, it requires 3 hours of exam, 120 questions, which is of multiple choice. If you are experienced using agile approaches, have good collaboration skills, eagerly embrace complexity and thrive on rapid response times, then your talents are in demand. From the people who bought you the PMP, the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner formally recognizes your knowledge of agile principles and your skill with agile techniques. Show your peers, employers, and stakeholders that your agile knowledge runs deep. PMI-ACP certification was created by Agilist for Agilist organizations that are highly agile and responsive to market dynamics, complete more of their projects successfully than their slower moving counterparts. 75% versus 56% as shown in our 2015 Pulse of the Profession report. The PMI-ACP spans many approaches to agile such as Scrum, Kanban, Lean, extreme programming, and test-driven, so it will increase your versatility wherever your projects may take you. Who should apply for it? If you work on agile teams or if your organization is adopting agile practices, the PMI-ACP is a good choice for you. The PMI-ACP is evidence of your real-world hands-on experience and skill as part of an agile team. Gain and maintain your PMI-ACP. The certification exam has 120 multiple choice questions and you have 3 hours to complete it. To maintain your PMI-ACP, you must earn 30 professional development units in agile topics every 3 years. Exam fee, $435 for member and $495 for non-member. Prerequisite, it requires a secondary degree, 21 contact hours of training in agile practices, 12 months of general project experience within the last 5 years. A current PMP or PGMP will satisfy this requirement but is not required to apply for the PMI-ACP. 8 months of agile project experience within the last 3 years. Now, what is the PMI-ACP actually? ACP is an acronym of Agile Certified Practitioner. This certification is provided by Project Management Institute and hence it is PMI-ACP. ACP certification carries a high level of professional integrity as it is a combination of agile training, working on agile projects and examining agile fundamentals and tool. This certification is universally recognized and aids people in addressing the needs of associations that depend on certified agile practitioners to apply their diversified skills to undertake the projects in a efficient manner. Friend, agile is a monotonous approach to deliver a software in a cumulative manner from the start of the project rather than delivering the whole project at the end. Agile is majorly applied in project management. If the project is typical, then agile project management methodology is the finest methodology to follow. This methodology mainly aims to deliver the product to the customer in smaller sprints instead of delivering at a time. Henceforth, it will be easy for the customer to test the delivered module of the project and ensure that proper quality is maintained. What does PMI-ACP stand for? First thing first, what does PMI stand for? PMI-ACP is the Project Management Institute certification that recognizes an individual's expertise in using agile practices in their projects, while demonstrating their increased professional versatility through agile tools and techniques. Project Management Institute, in other words, once you pass the PMI-ACP, you are then considered a PMI Agile certified practitioner. Passing the PMI-ACP exam indicates to employers and others both inside and outside the agile community that you have demonstrated experience working on agile projects and knowledge of agile practices, principles, tools and techniques. Agile project management certification. Secondly, how can you sure if taking the PMI-ACP exam is the right step for you? First, you need to have the desire to become a PMI-ACP. Next, you need to verify that you meet the PMI-ACP certification requirement in 4 areas: educational background, general project experience, agile project experience and training in agile practices. For educational background, you need to have a secondary degree, high school diploma, associate degree or global equivalent. In the area of general project experience, you need at least 2000 hours, 12 months of general project experience within the past 5 years. In the area of agile project experience, you need to have at least 1500 hours, 8 months of experience working on project teams that specifically used agile methodologies within the past 3 years. Keep in mind that you cannot count the same hours or projects towards general project experience that you do for agile project experience. Finally, in the area of training in agile practices, you need to have at least 21 contact hours. A contact hour is considered 1 hour of formal education, in this case formal education in agile practices. Once you have all your general project and agile project hours documented, and you have obtained your 21 contact hours, you are then ready to start your application to sit for the PMI-ACP exam. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.